Finally! The plumber! The garbage disposal is stuck again. The same one you fixed last week, by the way. And while you're at it... Oh, who needs to see that? Sheesh! Oh, I'll be in the other room. I mean, for crying out loud. What, you're done already? You've only been here for like 15 seconds, and I was talking for like half of that. What kind of a plumber are you? A platypus plumber? Perry the platypus plumber? Perry the platypus! Amazing what you can do with toilet paper, which you'd know if you were a real plumber.